for a bump change. Hey, what do you reckon? 2 bags be enough? I know. So very nice, I can tell you that. We've got about 10 to 20 of them at home already. They are the best. Marmalade jam, quince jam, grape jam, peach, apricot, plum, chutney, pickles, you name it, they got everything. Come here every time we pass. More river. Halfway between Toodyay and Lancelin. River's flowing. Yeah.
What's that noise? Hey! Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Should say 3/4 of the way between Toodyay and Lancelin, not halfway.
Yes.
Only 40 k's out of Lancelin. Plenty of traffic. Hey bub. Hey.
Morning.
Come here, bub. Well, made it to land, eh? The weather's beautiful at the moment. Yeah, gonna stay here for about 4 to 5 days. Got a lot of things to do, hey? Yeah. More river's a bit flooded at the moment. The actual river itself.
Yeah.
Oh, here's a good picture. That's where Lancelin is. We'll probably go, because it's pretty flooded right there at that crossing. We'll probably go yeah, down here. Probably chuck a left up in the Indian Ocean Drive, then hit a right and go all the way up Thapper Road. I'm a bit worried about this crossing though, because we want to head over to Reagan Ford, probably head up, then head over to Mora, and then get on the Great Eastern Highway that way. But yeah, we'll see how we go. Give it a couple of days, it's probably dropped a bit. Wildflowers in full swing. Hey, but
Flowers.
the flowers.
Flowers.
Great Northern Highway between Paintvine and Mount Magnet. Not too far out of Mount Magnet. And she's looking beautiful up here.